Hey, good morning, folks. Thanks for tuning in from across the world, literally by now. So thank you very much for the support throughout this Akiya renovation. So today is yet another exciting day. Last week they installed the kitchen and we're doing the final touches. And today we're installing the fireplace wood burning stove. And so I'll be covering that throughout the day. So please stay tuned. In addition to the fireplace, we also have a full crew of folks over here. That gentleman right there walking, he's the guy that's been doing the concrete and the tile. And then we have the plumber in there installing the sinks, and full carpenter's crew, and probably even the electrician soon. So it looks like we have some friends. They're making themselves at home. Hey, froggies. Alright, the wood stove is here. So the company is... ohayou gozaimasu. Yeah, so the company that we use is a small store there in Osaka, near Hiroshima, called Woodstock. All right, so there for a second, we thought they were not gonna come because it's raining throughout the day, but it's also raining throughout the week, so looks like we're still gonna be able to install the wood stove today. And we got a whole crew in there cleaning and finishing up and doing the final touches of the house. Today we have out here, well, that is my truck right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think at least 9 trucks out here. The fireplace people, the faucet, actually I should say the plumber, the carpenters, heck, maybe even the electrician. I think that's what that is right there. Yeah, lots of activity going on. Let's go check on the fireplace. I had to go run and go ahead and throw away that last load of wood that I had in the back of the truck before it gets too late. All right, so there it is, getting ready to come off the truck and right through this window into its spot right there. Hopefully it's big enough to warm up the whole house, and then have some nice dinners right here and enjoy the fire. Yeah, so right now everyone is finishing up after the lunch break, and start resume working on the fireplace and cleaning up and everything. So let me go ahead and walk around here and just kind of respectfully take some video real quick. Yeah, and there she is. It's the Quadra-Fire type of stove. Right there's where the exit is coming out, and they've been working on that throughout the morning. And then I'm pretty sure once they're done with that, they should be able to install it pretty quickly. The fireplaces here in Japan are not cheap, and seems like the chimney part is actually more expensive than the actual fireplace. And also, let's not forget about the Casita. So the Casita's, I guess, is the last part of this project, and this will not be complete by this weekend, the 9th. So that's probably a couple more weeks from now. Coco last night purchased the sink that's going to go right there in the middle, and then I don't see the shower unit here yet. We're going to reuse the toilet from that was inside the house because it was actually a very nice unit. And so yeah, the wood floor is already installed. He's working on the insulation. We covered up this window right here, and then a couple more other ones right there. The original one that was in that little outhouse. Okay, I see. And then Today he has insulated the top right there. So you can see they just pretty much stuffed the insulation in between the little rafters and then sheetrock. And these little beams are going to be exposed as well, just like in the main house. And yeah, so this should be done soon too. And it has a pretty much theme and feel as the house with the big windows and everything. But it's not the largest, but we have ordered a little like a pull-out couch, so like a little L section when you put a little another section there, and it makes like a pretty good sized bed, like a queen size. And then we're gonna have, we believe we're going to go ahead and put one of those pull down screens for the for a projector, so kind of save space. And what else we have? And then just a little side table and stuff like that. Maybe even a little refrigerator and a coffee maker. Just all the essentials for when company comes and they can kind of make themselves at home.
はい、持ってます。
だいぶ出さんといいの。
すごいね。Yes。大変ですか？
ちょっとね。
じゃあ。
なかなか。
Yeah, I was just talking to him real quick. He was saying, yeah, it's a little bit difficult, this little angle. Oh, wow. So they're strapping up the, I guess those, I don't know what they'll be called, but I guess it looks like they're going to be doing a two-person lift. And these guys, obviously they do this every day, but look at them, they're barefoot and everything. And in the States, good luck with that. OSHA safety and all that. And this is just because in Japan you don't wear shoes inside the house. So they won't be able to finish everything today, but tomorrow they're gonna finish it up and then they're gonna turn it on. In this heat is July, so it's a little warm, but yeah, so they're gonna turn it on for us and show us how it works.